A Florida State University College of Medicine researcher has made a discovery that alters our understanding of how the body's DNA repair process works and may lead to new chemotherapy treatments for cancer and other disorders. The fact that DNA can be repaired after it has been damaged is one of the great mysteries of medical science, but pathways involved in the repair process vary during different stages of the cell life cycle. The study appears in the current issue of Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. This suggests that the two functions of poly-B are interlocked, not independent, during BER. The research improves the understanding of cellular genomic stability, drug efficacy and resistance associated with chemotherapy. Cancer cells replicate at high speed, and their DNA endures a lot of damage, Suo said. When a doctor uses certain drugs to attack cancer cells' DNA, the cancer cells must cope with additional DNA damage. If the cancer cells cannot rapidly fix DNA damage, they will die. Otherwise, the cancer cells survive, and drug resistance appears. This research examined naturally cross-linked poly-B and DNA, unlike previous research that mimicked the process. Prior to this study, researchers had identified the enzymes involved in BER but didn't fully understand how they work together. We have been able to dig deeper into a fundamental pathway for which the pioneer Tomas Lindahl shared the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2015, Suo said. Co-authors are Adarsh Kumar, a former postdoctoral researcher in the FSU College of Medicine Department of Biomedical Sciences, OSU graduate students Andrew J. Reed and Walter J. Zahuransik, and Sasha M. Dashkalova and Sydney M. Hecht with the Biodesign Center for Bioenergetics and School of Molecular. The research was supported by the National Institutes of Health under award number R01GM122093. Adarsh Kumar, Andrew J. Reed, Walter J. Zahuransik, Sasha M. Dashkalova, Sydney M. Hecht, Zucai Suo. Research advances understanding of DNA repair. Science Daily, the 8th of March 2022. IFT.TT/4UFPDMF. Florida State University. 2022, March 8. Research advances understanding of DNA repair. Science Daily. Retrieved March 8, 2022 from IFT.TT/4UFPDMF. Florida State University. Research advances understanding of DNA repair. Science Daily. https://ift. TT/4UFPDMW. Accessed March 8, 2022. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.